cx plus p is equal to 0, that is a quadratic equation which has real and distinct रूट्स, यानी कि उसकी जो रूट है वो हमारे रियल होने चाहिए और डिस्टिंक्ट होने चाहिए. सो वी नो वेरी वेल देयर इज अ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फार्मूला. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट सॉरी discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So if discriminant is 0, then roots are equal and real. If discriminant is greater than 0, that's mean positive, then roots are real but not equal. If discriminant is less than 0, that is negative, then our roots are distinct but imaginary. So basically now here is the condition that real and distinct roots, so we know that our discriminant will be greater than 0. Now as we can see that p is our a, minus 6 is our b, and p is our c here. So substitute the value, you will get b square, that is minus 6 square, minus 4, the value of a is p and the value of c is also p, that is greater than 0. Solve this. 36 minus 4 p square greater than 0. Okay, now we can write down this as we can divide this whole equation by 4. In equation, sorry guys, it is an equation, so we are dividing by 4 whole an equation. In equation we will get 9 minus 4 by 4, that is p square greater than 0 by 4 is 0. Alright, so we can write down here, this implies 3 square minus p square must be greater than 0. We can write down it as a formula, a minus b a plus b, that is 3 minus p multiplied by 3 plus p, it must be greater than 0. Now we can see that let's suppose take an example, we have two number, let's suppose 2 plus 2 and plus 3, इनका मल्टीप्लाई करने पर क्या हमारा नेगेटिव वैल्यू मिलेगा, सॉरी गाइज पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. अगर हमारा ये पॉजिटिव है देन इट इज़ ओनली पॉसिबल व्हेन बोथ प्लस 2 and plus 3, that means both are in positive, then only we will get the product 2 3 is 6, that is positive, it is greater than 0. क्या इसके बाद भी कोई और सी कंडीशन हो सकती है? यस फॉर श्योर. अगर हम दोनों वैल्यू को नेगेटिव ले लेते हैं देन ऑल्सो वी कैन गेट our value positive, that is plus 6, again greater than 0. So similarly यहाँ पर हमें 3 minus p हमारा एक बार पॉजिटिव होगा और 3 प्लस p भी पॉजिटिव होगा. फर्स्ट केस में देर आर टू केस. फर्स्ट केस, इफ फर्स्ट केस होगा हमारा 3 minus p greater than 0 and वी विल राइट डाउन एंड ईयर, बिकॉज यहाँ पर ये वाली कंपलसरी है कि अगर ये हमारा पॉजिटिव है तो इसको भी पॉजिटिव होना पड़ेगा. 3 प्लस पी ग्रेटर देन 0. सो दिस विल इम्प्लाई टेक पी देयर, देन पी लेस देन 3 एंड पी ग्रेटर देन 3, सॉरी minus 3, p greater than minus 3 and p is less than 3. Rewrite this case as p is greater than minus 3 and less than 3. That is your solution. And be very careful guys when you are dealing with and means you will take the intersection of these two in equation, these two conditions. So let's suppose see in the number line 0 minus 3 will be here, plus 3 will be here, and so on. So you can see p is greater than minus 3, p is greater than minus 3, that is we will not consider this plus 3 value. So we will draw an unfilled circle. So write down the range p is less than 3. So the value which are less than 3, these are the values. ये हमारी वैल्यूज़ हैं जो हमारी लेस देन, सॉरी गाइज, सॉरी, यहाँ पर हमारा -3 है और यहाँ पर +3. It is our +3. So p is basically greater than -3 and less than 3. So this is the intersection of these two conditions. Now take the case 2. Case 2. Okay, second, if 3 minus p is less than 0 and 3 plus p is also less than 0. Alright, so it will give you 3 is less than p and p is less than -3. तो गाइज p की वैल्यू हमारी ग्रेटर देन 3 है एंड p की वैल्यू लेस देन -3 है. बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमें इंटरसेक्शन लेना है, बिकॉज हेयर इज एंड. सो यू कैन सी ऑन द नंबर लाइन, लेट सपोज दिस इज अवर नंबर लाइन, p is greater than 3, p is greater than 3. Unfilled circle we will draw, take a different color. So now 0 1 2 3 -1 -2 -3. So the value of p is greater than 3. P is greater than 3. So that's mean the value which are greater than p. Now p and p is less than -3, p is less than -3, that is these are the values. because यहाँ पे and है, so there is no such value in intersection. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, तो ये हमारा सॉल्यूशन नहीं होगा. केस सेकंड हमारा फुलफिल नहीं करेगा. तो हमारा सॉल्यूशन क्या हो जाएगा? दिस वन इज़ योर सॉल्यूशन. ऑलराइट गाइस, थैंक यू. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो